din kinawaya. Which mean one ongo magi bajayag, which means doyek. Ayodesh ka kinomon them. Today I'm going to show you how to say the times of day. So it's a very simple phrase. So for example, if I want to say it's morning, I say Giship all one. Giship all one. So if I want to say that it's noon, I will say Nakwek all one. Nakwek all one. If I want to indicate that it's afternoon, I will say Shquanakwek all one. Shquanakwek all one. Now if I want to indicate that it's evening, I'll say Nakshik all one. Nakshik all one. And then if I want to indicate that it's nighttime, I'll say Dibikak all one. Dibikak all one. Misayo, Chwigwich, Ibishayak Minwan Wanova. Pampidash Guapin, Wabong.